Hello guys, Griff here. Coming back at you with another video of The Walking Dead Road to Survival. Alright, so some of you guys may have noticed already that there's no claiming my Ezekiel video. And that's because that video actually got corrupted, so I'm sorry. But I'm making him to you tonight, guys. I've just level 70'd my Eric. I thought I turned live on camera. So let's do it. Boom. Look at that crap we're eating right now. Let's take a screenshot of that. Shall we? Looks very good, doesn't it? Welcome, Eric. Alright, dudes. I'm gonna just show you my GBs. Like Jesus. I'm on a Schwinn bike type exercise machine as I'm recording this, so that's that background sound. Yeah, ready to tune them. My goal: replace the survival Jesus with this Jesus. Alright, dudes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.